Welcome to Consumer Reports. The best granulated sugar is probably one of the most versatile ingredients in your kitchen. Whether you're a seasoned baker crafting the perfect cake or simply sweetening your morning coffee, granulated sugar is a staple. But with so many options available, how do you choose the right one? In this video, we'll dive deep into the world of granulated sugar, exploring its uses and helping you find the perfect fit for your needs. Number 5. CNH Granulated Sugar, 20-ounce canister, pack of 3. Introducing CNH Granulated Sugar, designed for easy use. This canister makes sweetening your coffee, tea, and recipes a breeze. No mess, no spills, just pure sweetness. The flip-top spout closes securely. This feature keeps the sugar fresh and ready for everyday use. It's a convenient way to ensure your sugar stays in perfect condition. CNH has been crafting premium pure cane sugar for over a century. You can trust this product for all your baking, cooking, and beverage needs. It's a staple you can rely on. This is high-quality granulated sugar. It's perfect for adding sweetness to your drinks, desserts, and more. Enjoy the perfect sweetness in every use. This sugar is non-GMO product verified, gluten-free, and kosher certified. It's a pantry staple you can trust. Enjoy peace of mind with every serving. What we like. This sugar comes in an easy pour canister, making it super convenient for everyday use. The resealable spout keeps it fresh, and you won't have to worry about spills. If you're looking for a sugar that's easy to use and store, especially for your morning coffee or tea, this is a great choice. What people say. It is very convenient as I do not have to handle a heavy container. Taste was fresh. No problem with this sugar and baking ability. This is a good quality sugar. Never had a problem with the sweetness of this sugar. These are small, great for our versus road trips. Number 4. Domino Granulated Sugar 3.5 pounds, pack of 2. This is Domino Granulated Sugar, made with pure, non-GMO cane sugar. It provides the perfect sweetness and texture for all your baking needs, from cookies to cakes. You'll receive 2 convenient 3.5 pounds tubs, each holding about 8 cups of sugar. The wide opening design makes scooping and measuring easy, and it ensures mess-free storage. The click-to-close lid keeps the sugar fresh and protected from moisture. This ensures it's always ready for your next baking project. The innovative tub is lighter and more compact than traditional canisters. This makes it easy to transport, stack, and store in your kitchen. Domino sugar has been a favorite of home bakers for generations, since 1901. Whether you're making a dessert or sweetening your coffee, it's a reliable choice. What we like. This sugar is designed specifically for baking, ensuring the perfect texture and sweetness in your treats. The easy baking tub makes scooping and measuring a breeze, and the resealable lid keeps it fresh. If you are a passionate baker who values convenience and quality, this sugar will be your new best friend. What people say. I love the convenience of having the containers without having to out the sugar in something else. It's Domino's sugar in a true storage case. Domino's sugar in a container is convenient, airtight, and reusable. Number 3. C&H Granulated Sugar, 4 pounds, pack of 2. This is made with pure cane sugar, which provides excellent quality and sweetness. It's perfect for all your baking, cooking, and beverage needs. This product has been a favorite for over a century. Bakers and home chefs trust it to deliver consistent, high-quality results in every recipe. It's ideal for cakes, cookies, coffee, tea, cocktails, and everyday cooking. This is a must-have for any pantry. You can trust this sugar because it is non-GMO project verified, gluten-free, and kosher certified. This includes 2 4-pound bags, which is approximately 9 cups per bag. It's perfect for stocking up on baking essentials. What we like. This sugar is a versatile kitchen staple, perfect for all your baking, cooking, and beverage needs. It's been trusted by bakers for over a century, guaranteeing consistent results. If you like to have a reliable, high-quality sugar on hand for everything from cookies to cocktails, you should consider this one. What people say. I have been using this sugar my whole life. It's the best. We can use it in everything. Used it for everything. Cooking and coffee. CNH sugar was shipped and received in a timely manner. The products were not damaged in any way and not leaking. Number 2. 365 by Whole Foods Market Organic Sugar, 32 ounce. This is 32 ounces of organic cane sugar. It's perfect for all your baking needs, and it's a must-have for your pantry. Whether you're making cookies, cakes, or pies, this sugar will help you create delicious treats. It's the ideal ingredient for any baker. The product is USDA certified organic, so you know it's made with quality ingredients. You can trust this product for your family. It's made from pure cane sugar, ensuring a natural and delicious sweetness. It's a simple, high-quality ingredient. This product contains no artificial ingredients. It's a wholesome choice for your cooking and baking. This is an essential pantry staple that you'll use again and again. It's a versatile ingredient that you won't want to be without. What we like. This is an organic cane sugar, perfect for baking and a must-have in your pantry. It's USDA certified organic, so you know it's made with quality in mind. If you are health conscious and prefer organic options, this sugar is a great choice for all your baking needs. What people say. Good product. Great taste and texture. Healthy sugar. I've always had great results baking with 365 ingredients. Works well for baking or drinks. Number 1. JUDEE'S gluten-free superfine caster sugar. Introducing JUDEE'S gluten-free superfine caster sugar. It's an essential ingredient for creating smooth frostings and light, airy desserts. This versatile sugar enhances cakes, meringues, and brulee creations. This superfine sugar dissolves quickly in hot or cold drinks, like coffee or tea. It's also a great choice for crafting delicate icings and fillings in your baking projects. JUDEE'S sugar is made in a dedicated gluten-free facility with high-quality ingredients. It's free from GMOs and preservatives, making it ideal for health-conscious bakers. This vegan option is perfect for your gluten-free creations. The sugar comes in a resealable 11.25-ounce pouch, ensuring long-lasting freshness and convenience. This bulk option allows for easy storage and precise measuring for all your culinary needs. JUDEE'S has been providing premium, natural ingredients since 2009. This product empowers you to create with confidence, knowing each ingredient is carefully selected for exceptional baking results. What we like. This superfine caster sugar dissolves rapidly, making it perfect for smooth frostings and light desserts. It's also gluten-free, catering to specific dietary needs. If you are looking for a sugar that creates the perfect texture for your frostings and is also gluten-free, then you should definitely try it. What people say. Very pleased with how my baked items come out. The texture and consistency is always better than when I make my baked items with regular sugar. Great product. I use it for cakes and desserts for a more refined texture. And it always delivers excellent results. It is great for baking, especially cookies, because it mixes well with butter without the grittiness of regular sugar. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.